Guys, welcome back with another video, and we have another new update for Spark OS, which is official Android 12 for Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 as well. Now let's get started from the settings. Here is the about section, and you guys can add your ownership here, and then here is the Android version 12 and very latest security patch, which is February 5, and Spark OS 12.1 version, and maintainer, really thanks to him, technostart nowadays doing great work. And here is the kernel used, 4.9.295 Lineage OS Plus and C Linux status enforcing. And if you want to enable developer option, just click on build number. And then we have system. As usual, we have vanilla build, maybe GF's build available, I don't know about that, but I'm using here vanilla build. Vanilla build always comfortable, so you can use according to your choice any GFs, no problem with that. And here is the gesture option, and of course we have some customizations here, and here is the setting. And then just scroll down and you guys can gesture neighbor length, you guys can increase and decrease the gesture neighbor length and gesture neighbor radius. You guys can also change the radius, and I don't want like bold type, so that's why I didn't increase the radius. It's up to you. And one-handed mode, which is working, just like do that, just do like this, and you are ready to use one-handed mode, so no problem. And if you want to quit, then just swipe up and swipe to screenshot, working without any problem. And then language input and other things you guys already know, digital well-being, Google, accessibility. And what's new, I will talk about that. What's new we have, I will show you it later. And here is the accessibility. As usual, just open accessibility and permit launcher, just turn that on. By default you guys will get it off, but you need to turn this on. And another special thing of that ROM is launcher. By default we have this launcher, and which is really great in customization and everything. So here is the location, password and accounts, privacy, safety and emergency. And now let's talk about security. What we have here, we have screen lock, face unlock and fingerprint, and app lock. By default you guys can use app lock using your face unlock, using your fingerprint, using your pin code, so no problem. And just click, I already added my face, so that's why it's doing work here. And whatever you want to add, like if you want to add face unlock, you can choose face unlock. If you want to use fingerprint, just add your finger here. So that's it, and I will show you right now. The fingerprint is really pretty much faster. Let me show you that. Now I'm in front of the camera, so here you guys can see it's really fast. So we have 2 or 3 important feature now in Android 12. Near future we will get in all custom ROMs, these features will be available, so no problem with that. And sound apps, here you guys can see like other ROMs. As usual, we have here the sound section. Let me show you we have the new one or not. Nothing new here like as before. So wallpaper and style, you guys can change wallpaper, and you guys can use dark theme. And here is the network and internet. I don't want to waste your time, you people already know about that, what inside of that section, so I'm just skipping here. Here is the customization hub with a new look, and user interface is different right now, and choose yourself. Here is the theme section. We have so many customization. Let me clear one thing. I will talk about it later. It's a bit different. Wallpaper and style, we don't have here the theme engine, that means Monet. They actually change here. The Monet portion has been removed from here and it's taken here, just themes. Wallpaper and style, they have taken here Monet engine. So this is it. You guys can use that monitor engine from here. And extra themes, you guys can choose icon pack. So many icon packs are there, and icon shape cylindrical, which I'm using. And here is the Harmony OS font, which is by default I'm using right now. And for small ls clock, whatever. And here is the another important thing, wallpaper zoom. If you want wallpaper zoom effect, then you guys can enable, and if you don't want wallpaper zoom effect, then according to your choice. Let me show you that thing. So you guys can see wallpaper is zooming and zooming out, zooming in, zooming out in the background, you guys can see. So this is it. Using that feature, you people can enable and disable. And QS clock picker, you guys can select any clock here. Let me show you that. Here is the clock, you guys can see Friday March 4 and 4/14. So you guys can change it. Let me show you. If I select the second one, it will be changed. So here you guys can see now. So all the customizations are available, and customized footer, I already added the text here. So I already added my channel name here. That's it. And require unlocking to use sensitive tiles, show brightness slider and the bottom, and here is the animation, rotate, flip, whatever you need, just like this. So this is it. You guys already know about that. This is not a new thing. And after that, media player, music tracker, other things are there, and fireworks, and then lock screen, always on display schedule, which is disabled, and charging animations, fingerprint vibration, everything is available. And pulse, if you don't want navigation bar here, if you want pulse here, then enable that feature while listening to music. And then we have here the status bar. As usual, we have all the customization in status bar, like other ROMs, clock and date settings, carrier level, and status bar items, battery percentage, everything, and traffic indicator, which is working, everything you guys will get here. And if you want to left right padding change, you guys can do as well. Left right padding, here is the left right paddings of clock and signal icons, whatever. If you want to make it right, you guys can use. If you want to make it left, you can use whatever you need. And here is the gesture option, as usual, double tap to sleep, and brightness control, everything is working. I checked. And after that, we have MISC, that means game space. We have game space here. You guys can enable gaming mode. When playing games, you guys will get an arrow there. You guys can easily use that game space. And you disable USB debugging from here, disable swipe gesture, whatever you need, you can select while playing music. And another important thing I found here, add block option. You won't be able to get any other, as it is aosp based ROM, that means pure Android type, a stock Android experience. That's why we don't have extra advertisements, but still we have that feature, add block, you guys can easily use. So this is a great thing, I can say. And screen of animation, I'm using here CRT. You guys can use scale as well, and kill a button, everything. And I don't want to show anything right now because everything already shown, you guys already know about that. And display cutout, this is useless for us. And screensaver, auto rotate screen, wake on flag. So everything done. Now let's talk about the smoothness, which is really great, like as before. I've already reviewed that ROM earlier, but this one is also great. So you guys can easily update if you are using the older one. Remember, the name is SparkOS. And here I used Play Store, which one is Nick Gaps. You guys can use if you have the older one, no problem. And you guys can see the transparent background, but all the custom ROMs we have, we don't have actually the transparent background, but in this ROM we have, due to the launcher. And I don't want to waste your time just showing the widgets. You guys already know about Android 12 widgets, so it's up to you. And by default we have that new camera, which is a very tiny type. So just leave it, and you guys can do video record, and camera quality is great, no problem with that. And now let me show you the home settings, which is launcher. By default we have so many customizations, and here is the app drawer. Just go to app drawer, and here is the background opacity. If you don't want transparent background, then just do like this. Now you guys will not be able to watch the background, so the background. And if you want transparent background, then just do that. And here is the app drawer. Just change the background opacity to 0 and show search bar, automatically show keyboard. If you want, then enable, and you guys can change the icon size and row height, whatever you need, level size, whatever you need, and general and icon pack, system icons. And icon shape also can be changed from here, and themed icons and icon shape as usual, and theme, system, dark, light, whatever you need, and accent color you guys can change from here according to wallpaper or other things. And here is the home screen. Double tap to sleep, working, dark status bar. If you want dark status bar, then you guys can enable that thing. And at a glance widget, other things are cool. An app drawer, and here is the dock, like search bar, apply accent, color, whatever you need, and recent, a clear button, screenshot, whatever you need, you guys can do. Now let's talk about some basic things which we always try to discuss. And here is the screenshot of CPU throttling, which is 91%, really great, no issues with that. And then we have Geekbench score. And due to internet connection, I won't be able to show you the safety net, but believe me, safety net by default pass, no problem with that. And still I already rooted my device, still I have safety net pass, there are no issues with that. And here's the single and multi-core score, and I don't believe in this paper works, but this is really great in practical life, so this is up to you. And I already rooted my device. Here is the magic, and no problem with that. And I already showed you in so many videos how you guys can just pass the safety net if you want to root. And here is the banking application. Just let me open that one, and no you guys can see here, no root detection. You guys can easily use, just log in and use, no issues with that. And I already showed these things. I hope you guys understand everything, and if I miss anything, just let me know in the comment section below. So many tabs are open, but no lag and stutter, everything just butter smooth experience you guys will get. So great work to, I just want to thank to the developer, really great work. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to share. So thank you for watching.